Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is the calculation of quartile deviation in case of continuous series but inclusive series. As you know, inclusive series is a series where the upper limit is not repeated. It is 0 to 9 and 10 to 19. This is inclusive series as we have already discussed in case of median. Now, in case of this inclusive series, how to calculate this quartile deviation? First of all, let's write here the first of all we have to find out here the cumulative frequency. As you know, even if the data is in ascending order, we calculate cumulative frequency from above. This is 2 and this 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So this is cumulative frequency. Now first of all we will calculate, we will write here the formula for quartile deviation. As you know, quartile deviation is equal to q3 minus q1 divided by 2. So here q1 is size of n divided by fourth atom. So n is here 20 divided by 4, which comes equal to fifth. So we will write here fifth atom. We have to find out what the fifth atom lies. Fifth atom lies here in the cumulative frequency of 5. So we will write here fifth atom lies in cumulative frequency of 5 whose class is 10 to 19. So 10 to 19 is our Q1 class. So we have to find out the Q1 in this class. The formula for calculating Q1 is, it is L1 plus N by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. So L1 is the lower limit of the class. Lower limit is 10. As you already know, when one limit is when one point is missing, then what we have to do, we have to subtract 0.5 to the lower limit and add 0.5 to upper limit. So this is 10 minus 0.5 comes equal to 9.5 plus n by 4. N by 4 we calculate n by 4. This is equal to 5 minus CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is preceding the Q1 class, that is 2. We have already discussed it how to calculate this, and divided by F. F is the frequency, this is 3, and to I is class interval, this is 10, 0 to 10, 20, 30, this is 10 here. So we will write here Q1 is equal to 9.5 plus 5 minus 2 comes equal to 3 divided by 3 into 10. 3 divided by 3 comes equal to 1. So this is 9.5 plus 10 ones are 10. This is 19.5. So 19.5 comes is this Q1. Now let us find here Q3. Q3 is size of 3 n divided by 4th atom. So 3 n divided by 4 we have find it. This is equal to 5. 3 5s are 15. We have to find out 15 atom. So likewise 15th atom lies in the cumulative frequency of 15 here. So 15th atom lies in the cumulative frequency of 15 and whose class is simply 40 to 49. So 40 to 49. So 40 to 49 is our this Q3 group. So we will find here Q3. The formula for calculating Q3 is, it is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. So L1 is the lower limit is 40, but we have to write 39.5 as we have to exclude 0.5 to it. It is 39.5 Q3 plus 3n by 4 comes equal to 15. As you know, it is 3n by 4 comes equal to 15 here, minus CF is the cumulative frequency just above, that is 11, divided by frequency is 4, into I is 10. Now we will write here, this is 39.5 plus 4 divided by 4 into 10. So this is 39.5 plus 1, this is 1 here, 1 into 10 comes equal to 10. So this is 39.5 plus 10 comes equal to 49.5. 49.5 is our Q3. Now the formula for calculating this quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 is 49.5 and Q1 is 19.5. 49.5 minus 19.5 comes equal to 30 divided by 2. So 30 divided by 2 comes equal to 15. So 15 is our quartile deviation. Thank you very much.